Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my digital journal spreads. To begin with, these are the apps that I use. Canva for making the journal spreads, GoodNotes for Android for storing them, and Pinterest of course for gathering the images. And remove.bg to remove backgrounds from the images because of course we need all of our images background free. So step 1 is gathering your images. So include all the stickers you're going to use, all the pictures you want to include, and if you're not sure how you want your journal spread to look like, at least stick to one color palette and download all the images related to that, so at least at the end it will look good. I am making on Heaven Official Blessing, which is a Chinese novel. It has an anime adaptation and a donghua. My color theme is red. So step 2 is to remove background from all of our images. This by far is the most tedious task, but we need our images background free, so let's do it. Now let's get started to make our journal spread. I use Canva to make spreads. You can use Sketchbook too. I can't download it in my laptop for free, so I don't use it. I'll try on phone and see how it works out. But for now, we are sticking to Canva. Canva has a lot of design elements, graphics, and stickers which you can use to make your spreads. So first I'm going to upload all the images and stickers that I'm going to use and work around that. So this looks completely different because I wasn't able to work around with the pictures that I downloaded earlier. So I just downloaded new pictures and made a new spread. You can use layering in Canva to bring the images forward or send them backward. I'm making it in laptop, so you can definitely make it in your Android phone. Also, you can lock your elements in Canva so that by mistake it doesn't move around, so that you have to align it again. To rotate your elements in Canva, just click on the position and change their x-axis, y-axis and rotation degree. You can also flip them horizontally or vertically. I'm creating a butterfly sticker in Canva. For that, I'll need a background free image of the butterfly, and I'm just going to use remove.bg for that. Now to make the sticker, just click on the edit option on the top of the image when you select it and choose shadows, in which choose outline option and change the outline color to white. You can see it clearly when I change the background color. One drawback to this is you cannot download the stickers in transparent background unless you have Canva Pro. So to work around that, just download the sticker in normal background and go to remove.bg to remove background. So now you'll have your own sticker. So now everything is done. So I'm just going to download it in PNG form. I'm going to save it in GoodNotes for Android. You can use Killnotes to store it in your Android phone or Paper for iOS. That's it for today. If you have any other questions, let me know. And thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.